Well, good morning. I'm up here on a windy day. We're at the Roaring Fork Motor Nature Trail. And if you're RVing, camping out nearby, staying at Gatlinburg, it's a nice little loop. It doesn't take long at all to complete and gives you a little bit of taste of what the Smokies are all about. Got a couple of choices when you come up here. You can make just the loop, or you can go on around and go over the top of the mountain. We'll see if the road's open. You can tell this is the first day of just cold weather. The wind's blowing quite a bit. Well, alrighty, spent a little bit of time up around the Gatlinburg area. We got back home and went through the Roaring Fork Motor Nature Trail and just stopped at all the high points, and recommend it highly if you want to get away from the, say, the Cades Cove crowd and you're in that neighborhood. Road is narrow, very steep at times. Really big trucks like a dually might be a little bit tight, but very enjoyable little day trip, and hope you enjoyed it.